Today I am making honey garlic chicken with basmati rice. It's very delicious, it's fast, and I hope you make and follow the recipe.
Rinse 2 cups of rice thoroughly, then place them in a small pot. Add 3 cups of water and bring to a gentle boil. Now, let's move on to preparing the honey garlic sauce. Over low heat, pour half a cup of low-sodium soy sauce into a small pot. Add half cup of water. Stir in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix in 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Crush 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and add them to the mixture. Dissolve 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch in cold water. Then, pour the dissolved cornstarch into the pot and stir well. Cook gently, and you will notice the sauce begin to thicken. Now, stir in 2 teaspoons of honey to balance the flavors. Check on the rice. It should be almost ready by now. Place all the chicken pieces in a plastic bag. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, seal the bag, and shake until every piece is evenly coated. Heat 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in a large skillet over high heat. Add half of the chicken pieces and sear until golden brown on all sides. Remove the first batch of chicken from the skillet and set it aside. Add the remaining chicken pieces to the skillet and cook until they are evenly golden brown. Return all the chicken pieces to the skillet, then pour the honey garlic sauce over them. Stir well to coat the chicken evenly and allow the sauce to blend with all the pieces. Dinner is ready. Go ahead and serve yourself a delicious plate. Scoop some fluffy rice onto your plate, then add a generous serving of honey garlic chicken on top. Finish with a handful of chopped green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for garnish. All done. You have just created another delicious meal. Enjoy, and if you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell so you will be notified when I share another tasty dish.